Cobblers are a simple dessert that is full of delicious fruit. They can be made with a variety of different fruits. This easy blackberry cobbler with cake mix is a simple dessert that your whole family is guaranteed to love. Blackberry cobbler is a great summer recipe to have. Blackberries' peak season is in summer, so you're guaranteed to get some fresh berries for the dish. You'll love how tasty this blackberry cobbler is and how easy it is to make. This simple recipe requires no baking experience. It is a great dish to make for a family event. What is a cobbler? Cobblers are made with a biscuit, cake, or cookie topping. The dough or batter is generally dropped onto the fruit mix in small rounds. It gives it the appearance of cobbled roads, hence the name cobbler. Cobblers originated in the British American colonies and have become a popular dessert in the United Kingdom and the American South. They are often made based on what fruits are in season. Cobblers are very similar to crisps and crumbles, and they are often confused with each other. Crisps and crumbles are both contain fruit with a streusel-like topping. Typically, a crisp contains oats where a crumble does not. Cobblers can be made with a variety of different fruits. Some of the most popular cobblers you will see are strawberry, blackberry, peach, apple, raspberry, and blueberry. Using cake mix to make a cobbler. Using a yellow cake mix for this recipe allows it to get an easy and delicious crumble on top. Yellow cake mix has the ideal consistency and taste for cobblers when using a boxed cake mix. You can purchase cake mixes in grocery stores or on Amazon. You may hear cobbler recipes that use cake mixes referred to as dump cakes. Dump cakes are a common term for recipes that use cake mix that is dumped into a pan without mixing prior, with other ingredients added to the pan, such as butter and fruit. Dump cakes are easy to make and are tasty desserts. The cake mix in dump cake recipes often creates a delightfully sweet and crumbly topping. This makes it a popular choice to add to cobblers, as it is a simple way to make the topping. Using blackberries in cobblers. Blackberries are an easy berry to grow and have many health benefits. They are full of vitamins, antioxidants, and fiber. Blackberries are generally in season from May to September, with June and July being the peak months. Certain farms will have the option to pick your blackberries. This can be a fun summer activity to do with your family. Then when you make your blackberry cobbler, you will have the satisfaction that you picked the blackberries yourself and made an amazing tasting dish with them. Blackberries are a popular fruit used in baking. They have a delicious combination of sweet and tart flavors. These are used in scones, turnovers, cakes, cobblers, tarts, pies, crisps, crumbles, muffins or fruit bars. They are also popular in drinks and savory dishes. Blackberries are a top choice for cobblers. Their sweet tart taste pairs perfectly with the warm crumbly topping. It is a simple homemade dish that will satisfy your sweet tooth cravings. What you will need. Ingredients: 1 box yellow cake mix, 6 cups blackberries, 1½ cup white sugar, 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon ground nutmeg, ½ cup margarine, melted. Step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Grease your baking dish. Step 2. In a large bowl, mix blackberries, sugar, cinnamon, and nutmeg. Stir until evenly mixed. Pour the blackberry mixture into the pan, spreading evenly. Step 3. In a large bowl, combine the cake mix and melted margarine. Combine until the mixture reaches a crumbly texture. Sprinkle evenly over the berries. Step 4. Bake the cobbler in the oven for 40 to 45 minutes until the fruit mixture is bubbly and the topping is golden brown. Tips and tricks. Cobbler is best served warm. Many people serve cobbler with vanilla ice cream or whipped cream. The combination of the fruity, warm cobbler and creamy vanilla ice cream makes a mouth-watering dessert. Many people prefer to use fresh fruit for making cobblers, as it gives it a rich and flavorful taste. It is common to make cobblers with whatever fruit is currently in season. Though most people do use fresh fruit to make cobblers, you may also use frozen fruit in cobblers. Make sure to allow the frozen fruit to completely thaw and drain it of excess juices, otherwise, you will have a watery cobbler. If you don't have fresh fruit, frozen fruit can still make for a wonderful cobbler. If you are using fresh fruit, always make sure to wash your fruit before using it. It is important to wash fruit before using it to remove any dirt or bacteria, such as E. coli. You can store your leftover cobbler in a container or cover it with aluminum foil. The cobbler can be stored at room temperature in a cool, dry area. The leftover cobbler can be stored for up to 3 days. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.